Welcome back to Trading Hour. Well, let's now shift our focus to the commodity space. Manisha joins in, and today you're focusing on copper, right?
Well, yes, we are, Vivek, and that is because the copper prices have been very, very volatile. We've seen prices gain up by 2% on Tuesday night, and yesterday there was some profit taking. So for this week, now we are in the negative by nearly 2%. For the month, we are still 7% on the higher side. And when you look at this year, copper is one of the better performing metals there with nearly 13% of gains. Well, the latest volatility comes in after US has ordered investigation into potential tariffs when it comes to copper imports within the country. Well, when you look at the US markets itself, US imports nearly 45% of its copper needs, and much of that really comes in from China and various American states there. When you look at the copper prices, there has been support also because of the demand coming in from conventional sectors, and then electrification, military and construction as well. So everywhere that you look, the markets seem to be really forecasting that going forward in the next 4 or 5 years, you could be looking at copper deficit growing in the international markets there. Importantly, it is about Chile, Canada and Peru, which account for nearly 90% of refined copper and mining into the international worlds. China's investment also in Congo seems to be increasing. So China is in a very strong state. If you look at smelters as a number, there are more than dozens that China has vis-a-vis 2 that US has. So clearly, this is to ensure that the dominance that China has and various other countries can be brought down. But at this point in time, even as you are looking at various investments coming into these countries, China's Congo investments are much on the higher side. And Congo, by the way, is the second largest copper miner at this point in time. So there's a lot moving in the international markets right now, and how the tariffs impact, and if the tariffs do come in, how they impact copper availability is something that the street is looking for. At this point in time, we've seen some buying come back into the Asian and the European markets.
Thank you very much, Manisha, for that. We'll get into a break. Before that, here is a small programming note for all our viewers. CNBC-TV18 and HSBC India are back with Season 2 of SME Champion Awards. The prestigious platform celebrates SMEs that are pushing boundaries, making an impact and shaping the future. Nominations are now open. Scan the QR code now. Submit your entry for SME Champion Awards Season 2.